Hey everyone, a video coming about freedom coming up. Seems very, very apt given the amazing turnouts around the world over the weekend. I, however, didn't make it. I was so disappointed. I already had a motorbike mastery course for, stopping in the speed, stopping with speed stopping and going around corners faster. Not that that was the aim, but, stopping corners correctly. And it was an amazing day, but I already had that booked and planned well and truly before the freedom marches. So I'm so happy that so many people made it. And here in Australia, it's been interesting watching the old mainstream media because, of course, they've said that dozens and hundreds of people turned up. And I've seen the footage. It was absolutely thousands and thousands and thousands. So proud of everyone around the world. And, it's sort of one of those things. I know that some people, I've mentioned before, Jordan Peterson, he always talks about this agreeability. And people who are agreeable tend to go along with the flow because it feels good. It feels easy. It feels like we're doing the right thing. It feels like we're being a good person. And there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Not everyone has it in them to stand up. Not everyone has it in them to have that, really? Do we need to be doing this? Does this make sense? So now that it's been a year down the track, imagine for a minute, imagine having all your freedom from a year ago back. Imagine being able to hop on a plane without a mask. Imagine not having the fear of being quarantined at both ends just to go see your parents. Imagine the cost of travel from now on, keeping mandated vaccines up to date, doing quarantine all over the place. Imagine for a moment what's going on in Israel, where not only are they not being forced, but they're certainly coerced with the green pass. And even once they get the green pass, there's still masks, there's still distancing. Imagine being able to hug anyone you want, anytime you want. Loved ones are meant to be loved. Friends are meant to be cherished. Humans are meant to be played with and enjoyed. This is not where we want to go with the human race. I think generally, even if we're that agreeable soul who's happy to go along with that flow, something in deep inside must be saying, really? Is this where we're going as a human race? Because if you think this is okay now, imagine another year down the track, and another year down the track, and another year down the track. Sasha Stone, Sherry Tenpenny, Dolores Cull were all chatting this morning, and it was a great interview with lots and lots of ideas. And if we don't fight the little fights one person at a time, we will lose our ability to fight. We will lose our ability to stand up. We're human beings. We're entitled to live joyously on this planet of ours. It's a beautiful planet. We deserve to be free. Take care. Love you all.